What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we are focusing on monthly coverage of what we did for the past month. For the month of April here at PLM. We are going to start with our 2024 Subaru WRXBTR. For the past video, so we had some issues with it. We had a misfire issue. Actually found out one of the reasons why the car was having a misfire. It's because our O2 sensor actually did not have any spacers. So one of our good individuals that's following our socials actually had the same problem. This individual told us about it, and we followed up, and we pretty much cleared up the codes, and so far it hasn't gone back yet. So hopefully that fixes that up. On top of that as well, we did an oil change, did a lot of modifications in the car. The car barely has 5,000 miles, not even 4,500 miles. So technically speaking, when we were modifying the car still had the original oil. After doing that, we installed the STI mufflers, and we actually took the car for a flyby for all the installations, and the car was actually running pretty fine. So we recently did our PLM front mount intercooler. So that means we got rid of our top mount intercooler, we switched it up to our front mount, and we also put our PLM charge pipes. So we are not running the OEM charge pipes anymore. And after that, we also did our PLM crash bar. Now that's what we did for the WRXBTR, and moving forward for the next month, we have a lot of plans for this. This is going to be retuned again. Now this car is not pushing closer to 300 horsepower as of now, but we are in communication with our tuner and with D-Man Tuning. And Felix Performance is one of our custom calibrated tuner that's helping us with the car. So they're gonna help us out to make it to the 500 horsepower mark. So we have a lot of plans for WRXVB. So in the next few steps, we will be making 500 horsepower soon. So make sure to stay tuned on that one. All right guys, we're gonna talk about the 2024 FL5 Civic Type R. You guys already know that this car is one of our fastest, strongest cars here at PLM. This car pushes 533 horsepower, and on top of that, this car as well had a lot of modifications. But for the month of April, what we did was we upgraded a couple things. First thing we did was we took out the stock or the factory camshafts. We upgraded it into a better one because we want to push higher power. We also got our Honda Flex fuel. Now with this, it's easier for us to switch from E85 to 91, or let's just say if you want to do full E, and if you want to run full 91 right away, you can do the same thing just by having this flex fuel. After all the installations, we dynoed this FL5 Civic Type R. On our very last run, we found out that there was actually a leak. So the leak was coming from a charge pipe. So after that, we decided to upgrade our OEM charge pipes in the Civic Type R into our very own PLM charge pipes. After changing our PLM charge pipes, we haven't dynoed the car yet because we are focusing more on our other project cars here at PLM. That is definitely something to be looking forward in the next coming month or this coming May. It's because this car is really pushing higher numbers. Once we dyno this car again with all the bolt-ons, with all the power, with the newer tune, we are not only going to be pushing 533 horsepower anymore. I already know that we are going to be pushing more than 533 horsepower. I just can't say what number it is, how accurate it would be, but I know on behalf of the PLM team, I already know that we are going to be pushing more than 533 horsepower. So make sure to stay tuned because we have so much parts, we have so much projects for this FL5 Civic Type R. Let's talk about our 1,000 horsepower Honda Civic EK right here. Also for the reports we did for the last month of April. So for our 1997 Honda Civic EK, you guys already know the first video we posted. We took out the EK subframe, we replaced it with the EG subframe. The reason behind that is because if we left the EK subframe here, the engine is going to be pushed a little bit more closer to the bumper, and we don't want that at all. After that, we have our engine mounts. We also have our engine, which is a fully built K24 from our great partners down in Oklahoma. They're called Humble Performance. After that, we also did our K-swap header, which I believe we took it off for now because we were mocking up another manifold. Also did a lot of internal things. We actually have this, I don't know if you guys can see this, we actually have this donor motor, which is a K20, and we were using a couple of things for it. This car is not going to be running any kind of AC or power steering, so we deleted both of those. So we actually have a bigger throttle body. We also have our intake manifold, so you guys already know our intake manifold is huge. We also did our PLM tuck radiator for the K-swaps, and this thing has two cute spal fans. We modified the hoses to make sure they're not too long. This is actually for the transmission plate So we already have our PLM shifter installed. We also have the shifter cables as well. So that's already tucked in there. Huge PLM intercooler for the K-swap, so especially for this build. This is not functional as of now. It's because we are only mocking this up. So we're pretty much mocking a lot of things for this car, but I do know this car is going to be running pretty soon. Also have a lot of other things for this car as well, such as the ECU. We are running with Haltech, but that is the update for all the 3 cars here at PLM. First, again, we have the WRXBTR, and we also have the 2024 F05 Civic Top Bar. And lastly, we have the 1997 Honda Civic EK hatch. Now, if you guys are enjoying all of these contents that we produce here at PLM, especially Johnson and I, so Johnson's right there working the WRX. If you support our PLM products, do us a favor, make sure to subscribe, smash the like button down below, and that way so you guys can support us in our videos and also in our content as well. And if you guys are interested in any of the PLM products for your WRX, Civic Top Bar, or even the EKs, EGs, whatever it is, also Subis, even BMWs, what are you guys waiting for? Comment down below or make sure to reach out to us. The email is going to be right here. It will be sales@privatelabelmfg.com. And guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.